My goals for 2023 are a little bit scary. This year, my word is going to be intentional. You're burning yourself out versus like taking it easy and like, you know, enjoying the journey. So I'm gonna stop here for now. I can do this all day. Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never been here before, hi, my name is Jessica. I'm a lash artist, and here on YouTube, I do a bunch of lash related type of videos. I do lots of Amazon unboxings because I love Amazon, lash studio decor videos, and just overall lifestyle videos. I'm so glad you are here with me today. I know I've been a little MIA, but I'm manifesting in 2023 lots of YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be doing my second annual vision board here on my YouTube channel. Last year I created this vision board. If you guys have not checked out this video, I'll have it linked up here so you guys can see how I made this one. I manifested everything I put on my vision board in 2022. My word was keep going, and I manifested my new studio that I am currently in. I manifested traveling with my family, and I feel like vision boards are a little bit spooky sometimes, especially if you believe in them. It is kind of like magic. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own. It's super simple. I'm going to share with you guys what I am planning and what I'm going to manifest for 2023, and just show you how to set goals and how to achieve them, because sometimes you set a goal but you don't know exactly what to do every single month to get to your goal, and you should be enjoying the process and not just getting to your goal and being like, so I don't know, it's like anticlimactic. Yeah, I still don't know how to talk. It's 2023 and I'm like still stuttering on my words. Sometimes you reach your goals and it could be anticlimactic. You know what I'm talking about, because you have another goal and another goal and another goal, and you're not really enjoying the process. So I'm going to show you guys how to create your vision board, how to manifest, and how to enjoy your journey to your goals. My goals for 2023 are a little bit scary. I'm not gonna lie. My goals for this year kind of scare me a little bit. So what I'm going to do is create first my wallpaper vision board. Since I am going to be taking YouTube a lot more seriously this year, I'm going to be opening my computer way more than I did last year, and I want to be able to see my vision board so I can work for my goals this year. I'm also going to use those same pictures and print them out. I'm going to cut them up, drink some wine, and just like manifest my lifestyle and who I am going to become this year. That's going to be a little bit more personal, so I'm going to do that on my own time. But the same pictures, like I said, I'm going to do that type of vision board. I'm going to do a wallpaper vision board for my phone and for my iPad. I know it's a little bit excessive, but this year my goals really do scare me, and I just want to be able to see my future self everywhere I pick up my phone, my computer. I want to see my future self everywhere so I can manifest her, and I can get used to the idea of her, and I can know every single day what I am working for. And I feel like by doing that, putting my vision board everywhere, I won't be as scared of her as I am right now. So yeah, that it's a little excessive, but I feel like a little bit of magic and just like shifting my mindset to be like, oh, that's not as scary. I see her every single day. That's me. You know, just trying to trick my brain a little bit. So I'm just currently browsing Pinterest. This is somewhere I personally really love to find pictures. I just realized that my collage wall is another form of manifesting. I have Paris over there, which I would love to visit one day. I have a French word, je t'aime, which means I love you in French. Last year I started practicing French, This year, I want to become fluent in French. I'm going to be way more intentional in my practicing. Whenever I practice French, I'm going to be a lot more intentional because I realized that last year I was just doing it. And my last year, my word of the year was keep going, so that's okay. This year, my word is going to be intentional. So that's going to be the big word, and everything around it, I want to be very intentional on how to get there. So I have this right here, which is someone practicing yoga. I am saving everything to, like I said, my Pinterest. If you guys are interested in seeing maybe any of the pins and you want to use these for your vision board, look in the description box down below. It's going to be called 2023 Me on my Pinterest board. So if you guys like any of these pictures or you guys want to get motivated, definitely go in my Pinterest board and check them out. Not only am I going to use pictures from Pinterest, I'm also going to use pictures that I took throughout the year, just to, of course, make it more personal. Now that I have all of my pictures ready for me, I am going to be creating my wallpaper on Canva. Super duper easy, it's free, so you do not have to pay for the subscription. You can make literally anything that your heart desires on Canva. You can make Instagram posts, Instagram stories, flyers, whatever, like I mentioned, whatever your heart desires. If you are going to start a podcast, you can make like your cover art. If you're going to make your YouTube channel, you can make your thumbnails on Canva, like anything you want. I don't pay for the subscription and I could still do whatever I want. So you don't have to pay for the subscription. And let me show you how easy peasy it's going to be. Now that we're on canva.com, you want to do create a design and look up wallpaper. There's going to be a lot that pop up: desktop, phone wallpaper, a bunch of different stuff. I'm going to click the first one that says desktop wallpaper, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm also going to do my phone one a little bit later on and my iPad one. So now that we are here, it does have one already made. As you guys can see here, the template is 2020 and then it has XX. So I'm just gonna click that one and use this one as my template. So it could be easier for me to just drag and drop what I want into this little thing, and I'm sure I can adjust and size it however I want as well. Okay, now that I have all the pictures that I might want to use for my vision board, it is super easy to use Canva. All you want to do is click a picture. Let's see, right here I kind of want to do a thumbnail picture because I want to continue to make YouTube videos, so I need more thumbnails. I have another thumbnail picture here that I kind of want to visualize as me being more creative. If you double click it, you can actually make the picture bigger and just adjust it as you wish. So easy peasy, you just click a picture and then you drag it wherever you want. So, ooh, they already have some money. I personally don't like using cash money because I personally do not get paid in money. I get paid via transactions from YouTube, affiliate links, and then when my clients come in, most of them pay with debit cards. So I do want to Photoshop a picture of a bank statement with my goal money to have for next year. So that one's kind of cute. I don't know if this one's gonna fit there, just of course to work out. Let's do this one here, a new era of me. I do want to drop online courses. I have a lot of digital products that I want to be dropping next year, so I want a lot of digital things on here. So I'm gonna stop here for now. I can do this all day, but what I have here is my YouTube. I did edit that I want my viewership to go up, so I put 1.3K views in one day. If you guys go to my YouTube channel, I do not have those views, but I am hoping for that. I am going to start doing permanent jewelry, so I wrote thriving business, of course working out, reading more books, online course, just things that I want to manifest into 2023, and of course my word being intentional. So I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. I know I'm gonna come back and move things around and add things, but I am going to hit the share button and I am going to hit download. Once I download this, this is how it looks. I am going to go into my Finder and find the picture, double click it and set desktop picture. Let's see if it did it. So once I open her up, there she is. Yay! I love her. She looks amazing. So now once I am at my home screen, I'm going to continuously see everything that I'm going to manifest into my 2023. So I personally think I added a ton of magic into my vision board last year because I manifested everything I added to my vision board in 2022. This year, I have some goals that are really scary and I know I could accomplish them, but they are kind of scary. There is a lot of deadlines to them. So I made myself a visual representation of my year. I broke it down into quarters and then I labeled each box a different month. So I can know if I want to, because I do, I want to lose 20 pounds by my birthday, which is in July. I then broke it down and said, okay, it's not that much if I lose 3 pounds a day. By my birthday, I would have lost 20 pounds. If I want to launch an online curriculum, when do I want to launch it? I'll know each month what else I have to do so I can launch in August. I can launch in this month. I can launch in that month. And it won't seem too difficult of an idea. Like I know when I want to launch it and I know how many months I have until that launch. I know what I should be working at it each month versus just thinking of this big huge goal that sometimes seems unreasonable, sometimes seems unattainable, sometimes seems stressful because you're doing a million things at once. You could break it down by quarters and make sure that you know you have all your goals set up in here so you can know each month what to work on. So like if you want to drop merch, if you want to launch your own YouTube channel, if you want to open your own studio, what steps do you need to get to that end goal? And you can work on it month by month versus thinking that you have to do it all at once. And then that goal, once you reach it, it sometimes is, like I mentioned earlier, anticlimactic because it's like you're burning yourself out versus like taking it easy and like, you know, enjoying the journey. So that is what I did. I'm also going to be importing it to my iPad. So when I'm here in the studio and I get a burst of energy or I have some free time, I can look at my, you know, quarters and say, okay, today I should have been working on this. Let me work on it right now. I missed filming videos for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it sparked a little bit of creativity and inspiration for you guys. I'm going to have a lot of videos for 2023, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.